Let me show you behind the scenes with push notifications. So you'd log in on your smartphone. You could connect what you're pushing out on the push notification via Facebook and Twitter as well. So I'm going to go in here and we can add a message. And we can schedule it, but also in the advanced area, let's say if you wanted to push out a coupon from Tim Hortons but put it into a specific area, so you can go in here, grab which radius of miles you want to put in. This is like in the Montreal area, let's say near an arena, and you can just push out the offer. Here you would just put in the JPEG and that would be your offer, and it can be time sensitive, and you would send it out. So that's how you would do it from the app behind the scenes.